So hi everyone, today we'll understand about different types of crypto trading and investing styles so that you can decide which style matches your personality, risk appetite and available time. So on the first place we have scalping. Scalping means executing multiple trades in a single day or trading on a very smaller time frame or a lower time frame using 1 minute to 5 minutes chart and taking small profits throughout the day. Our main goal is to make small profits with multiple trades which can give you consistent daily income. On second place we have day trading. Day trading is also known as intraday trading. In day trading, trades are usually opened and closed on the same day, or you can also say same day buy or sell. In day trading, no overnight positions are held. Common time frame which you can use is 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour chart. A day trading or intraday trading is one of the common styles for beginners. So on third place we have swing trading. Trades are held for a few days to a few weeks. And on fourth place we have positional trading. Positional trading is something where people invest for a longer time period, like holding trades for weeks to months. Traders' main aim is to follow larger market trends. This style is suitable for someone who prefer long-term trade setups. On the fifth place we have investing. Investing is also known as buy and hold strategy. All you have to do is choose fundamentally strong projects and hold them for a long period, which is 1 year to 5 years. And this approach is also known as buy and hold strategy. And on sixth place we have spot trading. Spot trading means where you are actually buying and owning the actual cryptocurrency. After you buy, you own the asset directly. And in spot trading, there is no leverage required. Spot trading is something which is suitable for both beginner as well as long-term investor or long-term trader. And on next place we have futures trading. In futures trading, you have the option to use leverage. In futures trading, you can earn profit from both the sides, which is placing a long trade when you think market will go up and by placing a short trade when you think market will fall. In futures trading, risk is high but reward potential is also high. So guys, every trading style has different level of risk, different psychology, different time commitment. So if you are a full-time trader, then go for scalping or day trading. If you are a working professional, swing or positional trading is the best option. And on the third place we have long-term believers. Investing is the only kingpin for the one who believes in long-term trading. Always remember, survival should be your priority and making profit should be your second priority.